Hey and welcome to Gothenburg. We are now doing a new series on the channel, the journey around Gothenburg. And we currently start in Haga, and every episode we start in Haga. But in this video we will explore Majorna and Mariaplan. This is only 10 minutes on a tram from here, so join me for a little bit of an adventure in Gothenburg. Cheers! Or skål! Yeah, Haga is one of the most popular streets for tourists in Gothenburg. They have the souvenir shops, but the main attraction is actually the Fika. Yeah, you go here for the Fika in Haga. It's also very cozy, but the main attraction is Fika. So I would highly recommend you to go to Haga if you're in Gothenburg. But now we're going to explore other part of Gothenburg. Join me. Yes, we have now moved away from Haga, and now we are at Järntorget, the Iron Square in Gothenburg. We are looking for a tram to our next destination, Mariaplan in Majorna. It's either number 3 or number 11. So we are on the way to explore Majorna. Yes, we are entering the tram.
Du får hjälpa mig att planera.
Yes, we finally made it to Mariaplan in Majorna. You have it here, like a bookstore, 7-Eleven. So this is, you can see it's the beginning of Mariaplan in Majorna. It's fun that they have 7-Eleven. It reminds me when I was in Thailand. So I don't really know what's going on here. The only thing I know about Mariaplan, they have a very good hot dog store. They also have some beers, pubs, yeah. But we will just walk around and see what we can find here. So join me when we explore this neighborhood. So I think I will start with a hot dog, so join me when I try to eat some hot dogs. This is very typical for this place at Mariaplan. Hej! Skulle vilja ha en korv med mos. Nej, det är bra så.
61.
Ja.
Swish.
Ja, det var minsta 70 eller?
Ja, men det kan vi plocka om någon annan.
Okej, ja, det är bra. Så.
Tackar.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes! This is a very typical meal in Sweden. A hot dog and mashed potatoes. For €6 to $6. So yeah, we have to try it now. If you even ever come to Majorna and Mariaplan, you have to go to this shop. This I don't know what kiosk is in English. Maybe you can comment down below. But it's yeah, very nice, very nice. This here is so popular. Normally it's a very big line here. So yeah, but I will finish up here and then we will walk more in Majorna and Mariaplan. Cheers! This was a good meal. Now we are at the swimming pool. That is a skateboarding part now. But in the summer months, it's a swimming pool for children. But what more can you do? You can go for a Fika. You can even buy a bike in Mariaplan. And even fix your bike. And you can buy some very cheap beer for like €3. Yeah. Here you have the local pub. Silverkällan is supposed to be a very popular restaurant and cheap beer and cheap food, but it's not open now. It's open later in the afternoon, so and then I will not be here, but I highly recommend you to go to Silverkällan. I have never been here to Silverkällan, but it's supposed to be a very popular spot for the locals in Majorna and Gothenburg. You see it everywhere on Facebook, like, oh, I am at Silverkällan and drink cheap beer. So maybe in another video I will be at Silverkällan and try the local food and local beer. So yeah, I think this is it for Mariaplan and Majorna. Yeah, maybe I will. The video is not really ending now, but soon. But here we have a tram. Now we are finished up the Mariaplan adventure. Yeah, was not really much happening here. You can drink some beers, you can take some Fika, you can eat some hot dogs. Yeah, I think that's about it. Maybe I was so early. It's only like 1 o'clock, but it's still Saturday. Yeah. So next time I will explore something called Biskopsgården. So that will be the next video I will post. So stay tuned. But if you want to know anything more about this neighborhood, just comment down below. And if you have any neighborhoods around Gothenburg that you want me to film in, just also make a comment down below and I will see if I can go there with the local transportation. So that's it for now. Over and out. See you in the next one.